Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Welcome, energy enthusiasts, to the RenEnergy.com YouTube channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets of solar energy monitoring. Get ready to dive deep into the world of Enphase Enlighten, a powerful and innovative tool designed to shed light on your solar energy system's performance. Picture this: your rooftop adorned with solar panels, each capturing the sun's energy, transforming it into clean, sustainable power. But how do you ensure that your solar system is working at its peak, harnessing every ray of sunshine efficiently? That's where Enphase Enlighten steps in. It's not just monitoring, it's empowerment. It's about knowing exactly how your solar panels are performing, in real time, with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine having the ability to track the energy production of every individual panel on your roof, having historical data at your fingertips, and the power to troubleshoot issues remotely. Enlighten is more than just a monitoring platform, it's your solar system's trusted companion. So, whether you're a solar enthusiast or a homeowner looking to maximize your energy savings, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll unlock the potential of Enphase Enlighten, giving you the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your solar energy destiny. Stick around as we explore its key features, learn how to access and use Enlighten, and discover the incredible benefits it brings to your solar journey. Are you ready to embark on this solar adventure with us? Let's shed some light on the power of Enphase Enlighten, right here on the RenEnergy.com YouTube channel. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an electrifying episode of Renewable Energy Insights. Let's get started. October 2023 Energy Report. Solar analysis is paramount in realizing this mission. By meticulously examining energy production, consumption, and grid interplay, we gain invaluable insights that guide us in optimizing solar installations and ensuring they deliver maximum benefits. Such data-driven approaches not only highlight the effectiveness of solar solutions but also demonstrate the tangible positive impacts they bring to the environment and our economy. Today, we dive deep into our energy report for October 2023, a month that showcases the potential of a new solar installation. Join us as we unravel the numbers, assess the outcomes, and understand the narrative they present about renewable energy's promise for a greener tomorrow. Energy production versus consumption. In the world of solar energy, the balance between production and consumption is crucial. It paints a picture of efficiency, sustainability, and the ability of a system to meet the energy demands of a household or facility. Let's delve into the details of RenEnergy's October 2023 figures. Solar energy production, 741.5 kilowatt-hours. Despite starting operations on the 3rd of October, the installation exhibited outstanding performance, producing 741.5 kilowatt-hours in less than a full month. This speaks volumes about the efficiency of our solar panels and their capability. Highlight: the 7th of October was particularly prolific, recording a peak production of 43.9 kilowatt-hours. Days like these showcase the potential of RenEnergy's solar solutions under optimal conditions. Energy consumption, 452.2 kilowatt-hours. The energy consumption for October stood at 452.2 kilowatt-hours. Monitoring and understanding our consumption patterns allow us to refine our strategies, ensuring that we always meet our energy demands effectively. Such data helps us prepare for high-demand days, ensuring consistent energy supply. Enphase Enlighten, shedding light on solar performance. But how do we ensure that our solar system is working at its peak, harnessing every ray of sunshine efficiently? That's where Enphase Enlighten steps in. It's not just monitoring, it's empowerment. It's about knowing exactly how your solar panels are performing, in real time, with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine having the ability to track the energy production of every individual panel on your roof, having historical data at your fingertips, and the power to troubleshoot issues remotely. Enlighten is more than just a monitoring platform, it's your solar system's trusted companion. Picture this: your rooftop adorned with solar panels, each capturing the sun's energy, transforming it into clean, sustainable power. But how do you ensure that your solar system is working at its peak, harnessing every ray of sunshine efficiently? That's where Enphase Enlighten steps in. It's not just monitoring, it's empowerment. It's about knowing exactly how your solar panels are performing, in real time, with pinpoint accuracy. What is Enphase Enlighten? Enphase Enlighten is not just another solar monitoring tool, it's a comprehensive platform that empowers you to take charge of your solar energy system's performance. Imagine your rooftop covered in solar panels, each one working diligently to harness the sun's energy and convert it into clean, sustainable power. Enphase Enlighten steps into this picture, adding a layer of intelligence and insight to your solar setup. At its core, Enlighten is a web-based platform that provides real-time data and analytics for your solar panels and microinverters. Here's what sets it apart. Real-time monitoring. Enlighten offers a live feed of your system's energy production, allowing you to see exactly how your solar panels are performing at any given moment. Individual panel data. You can access detailed information about the performance of each individual solar panel in your system. This level of granularity ensures that every panel is optimized for maximum efficiency. Historical tracking. Enlighten keeps historical data, enabling you to track your system's performance over time. This data can help you spot trends and make informed decisions about your solar setup. Remote troubleshooting. Enlighten goes beyond monitoring. It assists in diagnosing and troubleshooting issues remotely. This means you can address problems quickly, ensuring your system runs smoothly. Whether you're a dedicated solar enthusiast or a homeowner looking to maximize your energy savings, Enlighten is your partner in the world of renewable energy. It's not just about monitoring, it's about empowerment. In this video, we'll delve into the key features of Enphase Enlighten, show you how to access and utilize this powerful tool, and highlight the incredible benefits it brings to your solar journey. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your solar system with Enphase Enlighten? Join us right here on the RenewEnergy.com YouTube channel as we shed light on the path to efficient and sustainable solar energy. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our renewable energy insights. Let's get started. Key features. 1. Real-time monitoring. Enphase Enlighten provides real-time information on your solar system's energy production. With this feature, you can instantly see how much energy your system is generating at any given moment, ensuring you're always informed about its performance. 2. Individual panel data. One of the standout features of Enlighten is its ability to provide data on the performance of each individual solar panel in your system. This level of granularity allows you to identify any underperforming panels and ensure that every component is contributing to your system's efficiency. 3. Historical data. Enlighten keeps a record of your system's historical performance. You can track how your solar setup has been producing energy over time, allowing you to spot trends, assess seasonal variations, and make informed decisions about your system's maintenance and optimization. 4. Remote troubleshooting. Enlighten goes beyond mere monitoring. It also serves as a troubleshooting tool. It enables remote diagnostics and issue resolution, saving you time and potentially costly service visits. If an issue arises, you can address it promptly to ensure your system runs smoothly. These key features make Enphase Enlighten a valuable tool for anyone with a solar energy system, whether you're a solar enthusiast looking to maximize efficiency or a homeowner seeking peace of mind knowing that your investment is performing optimally. How to access and use Enlighten. 1. Log into the platform. Start by visiting the Enphase Enlighten website or using the mobile app. Log into your account using your credentials. If you're a new user, you may need to create an account first. 2. Dashboard overview. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Enlighten dashboard. This is your central hub for monitoring your solar system's performance. You'll see real-time data, historical information, and other relevant details displayed here. 3. Navigation. Familiarize yourself with the navigation menu or tabs within the platform. These typically include options like Dashboard, My System, Energy, My Envoys, and Settings. Each section provides specific information and tools to manage your solar system. 4. Real-time data. Click on the Dashboard or Real-time section to view the live data of your system's energy production. You'll see metrics such as the current power output, energy generation trends, and more. 4. This data helps you monitor your system's performance on a day-to-day basis. 5. Historical data. To access historical data, navigate to the Energy or History section. 5. Here, you can view charts and graphs that display your system's energy production over time. You can specify date ranges to track performance month by month or year by year. 6. Individual panel data. If you want to dive deeper into the performance of each panel, look for a section like My Microinverters or Panel Level Monitoring. This will provide insights into the health and efficiency of individual solar panels. 7. Troubleshooting. In the event of an issue or anomaly in your system's performance, use the Troubleshooting or Support section. This area may provide diagnostic tools and resources to help you identify and address problems remotely. 8. Interpretation. Take the time to understand the data presented. Look for patterns and anomalies. For example, you can identify if a specific panel is underperforming or if there are variations in energy production during different seasons. 9. Notifications. Enable notifications or alerts within the platform. This way, you'll receive updates on your system's performance and be alerted to any potential issues. 10. Optimization. Use the insights gained from Enlighten to optimize your solar system. If you notice a panel is underperforming, you can take action to address it promptly, ensuring your system operates at its best. By following these steps, you can easily access and utilize Enphase Enlighten to monitor, interpret, and optimize the performance of your solar energy system. It's a valuable tool for making informed decisions and ensuring the efficiency of your investment in clean, renewable energy. Conclusion. In conclusion, Enphase Enlighten is a valuable tool for anyone with a solar energy system. It empowers you to monitor and maximize your system's performance. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. In summary, despite initiating operations early October, the solar installation generated a significant surplus compared to consumption. This surplus can be utilized in various ways, stored for future use or fed back into the grid. The impressive performance in October sets a promising precedent for the months to come, reinforcing the benefits and potential of solar energy. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.